What'd you do while Daddy was gone? Huh? Yeah, you took a nap? I heard you took a nap. Yeah, right next to Mommy? Yeah? Did you have some bottles? Did you have a lot to eat? Yeah? Yeah? What'd you do in your baby Bjorn? Huh? Did you spit up? I heard you spit up in your baby Bjorn. You can't do that. You can't spit up in your baby Bjorn. How are we gonna take you around? You wanna go places, right? Don't you? You want to just stay here? We want to take you all over the place. You gotta jump in there, baby Bjorn. Yeah. It'll be fun. It'll be a lot of fun. Uh-huh. You just gotta give it another try. You got hiccups? Some little cute boy have hiccups. What was that? What was that? Whoa! Oh! Who's a beautiful hiccuper? Yeah? Uh-oh.
It's okay, buddy.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Is that fun? Do you like them? What is that? What is that? Huh? What was that? What do you say? I say, excuse me. Excuse me. Nope. Excuse me. Excuse me. You keep on saying the same thing. You gotta say, excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Hey, what are you gonna say? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hey. Hey. Oh. Oh. Hey, Mr. Hiccup. Mr. Hiccups.
Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy.
Hey. 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 Hiccup and say, hey. Uh-oh, too much talking give you the hiccups? How'd you get those? Do you get excited? Do you get excited to talk? Do you have too much to say? You got too excited and you don't know how to say it all, do you?
One more smile, Finny.
Come on, you got one more? Hey. Smile. Wow,
that's a big one.
Holy cow, Finnegan.
Oh.
Wow.
Oh.
Are you doing those on command? I think you like those, huh? You like doing those. Hey, 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 Mr. Hiccup. Hey, hey. You're a silly boy.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Who's a happy hiccupper?
Me.
Who's a happy hiccupper? Hey.
Bye, Finny.
Bye. Bye.